This question belongs to GATE 2023 paper and belongs to the aptitude subject. So the question states, looking at the surface of a smooth 3D object from outside, which one of the following options is true? The surface of the object must be concave everywhere. The surface of the object must be convex everywhere. The surface of the object may be concave in some places and convex in other places. The object can have edges but not convex. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you what is a concave lens and what is a convex lens. So a concave lens is like this. This is the polished side and rays come from this side. And a convex lens has polishing inside and rays come from this side. Okay, so what we can do? We can basically combine a concave lens and a convex lens. So both of these can be combined like this to make a concave or convex lens. Like this can be concave, this can be convex, and it can be like this. Okay, so we can basically combine the two lenses. So this is either it can be concave or convex lens, or it can be convexo concave lens based on how we combine these two lenses. Okay, now see, one of the side is concave and other side is convex. These concave and convex lens, how they are formed? So we basically have a sphere with a polishing and they can be taken out as a part of a sphere. So we can take out some parts. So if we have polishing inside, so if we have polishing over here, then this will become our convex lens. And if we have polishing over here, then this will become a concave lens. So, and this is a 3D object. And as we cut out the pieces, so lens is also a 3D object as it is formed from a sphere. Thus, we have a 3D object, a smooth 3D object. And what is a smooth 3D object? See, first of all, let us see the options. The surface of the object must be concave everywhere. No, we can have concave and convex both. It's false. The surface of the object must be convex everywhere. No. Now only these two options are remaining. Now see, the texture of this object is smooth because it will have continuous even surface. We have polishing and it is a mirror. So it's a smooth surface. Okay, it will not have any holes or bumps or any rough surface. Okay, so this is a smooth surface. Now we need to see whether the object can have edges but not corners. See, option C is true. The surface of the object may be concave in some places and convex in other places. C is for sure true. Let us see option D. So option D. So here we have edges. So what is an edge? Edge basically means straight lines. Like at a point, see, let us suppose that we have an edge. So edge means a straight line. Okay. But here we can see there are no edges. It's just a curved line. So in this question, a edge basically means a straight line, non-curved lines. Non-curved lines. Okay. Thus option D is also false. So answer is option C.